Imagine waking up every morning with aching joints, struggling to get out of bed, and feeling that every step you take is a battle against pain. Joint pain doesn't just affect your bodies, it steals your freedom, limits your movements, and makes even the simplest activities feel like impossible challenges. But what if nature had already gifted us powerful natural remedies? Remedies that are not hidden in a laboratory, but in the vibrant colors, sweet flavors, and nourishing properties of fruits that you can find in any grocery store. Science now reveals that some fruits are packed with compounds that fight inflammation, protect cartilage, and restore mobility. These are not just snacks. They are natural medicines that can transform your joint health. Today, we're diving into the world of 5 extraordinary superfruits that do more than satisfy your cravings. They can help you fight joint pain, reclaim your mobility, and feel young again. Stay with me because your journey toward pain-free movement could start with the next bite you take. Let's discover these powerful allies hidden inside nature's sweetest creations. Fruits are more than just delicious snacks. They are powerhouses of nutrition specifically designed by nature to support your overall health, including the health of your joints. Packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and anti-inflammatory compounds, fruits are a natural remedy that works at a cellular level. These nutrients not only nourish your joints, but they also help repair damaged tissue, protect the cartilage from further wear and tear, and reduce inflammation, which is the root cause of most joint pain. Unlike processed foods that can trigger inflammation and exacerbate joint issues, fruits offer a clean, natural solution. They contain compounds that work in harmony with your body's natural healing processes, promoting long-term joint health and comfort. By incorporating fruits into your daily diet, you are providing your body with the essential building blocks it needs to repair, protect, and rejuvenate your joints. In the next section, we will dive deeper into 5 specific fruits that are proven to help fight joint pain and inflammation so you can move more freely and live pain-free. Firstly, cherries, particularly tart cherries, are one of the most effective fruits when it comes to fighting joint pain and inflammation. These small, vibrant fruits are packed with anthocyanins, which are natural compounds responsible for giving cherries their rich red color. Anthocyanins are also potent anti-inflammatory agents that work by blocking the production of inflammatory enzymes in the body. This helps to reduce swelling, ease pain, and protect the joints from further damage. Research has shown that tart cherries in particular can significantly reduce the pain and stiffness associated with arthritis and other inflammatory joint conditions. In fact, a study found that drinking cherry juice can help decrease the markers of inflammation and improve joint function in people with osteoarthritis. One of the best ways to incorporate cherries into your diet is by drinking tart cherry juice before bed. This can not only reduce joint stiffness in the morning, but also improve your overall sleep quality. So whether you're enjoying fresh cherries, frozen ones, or a glass of juice, you're giving your joints a natural boost in their fight against pain and inflammation. Next up, pineapples are not just a tropical delight. They are a powerful fruit when it comes to improving joint health. One of the key compounds found in pineapples is bromelain, a potent enzyme with remarkable anti-inflammatory properties. Bromelain works by breaking down the proteins that contribute to swelling and inflammation in the joints, making it an excellent natural remedy for reducing pain and discomfort. Studies have shown that bromelain can significantly alleviate the symptoms of joint pain, especially in conditions like arthritis. Not only does it reduce inflammation, but it also accelerates recovery from joint injuries by promoting tissue repair and easing the healing process. In addition to bromelain, pineapples are packed with vitamin C, another essential nutrient for joint health. Vitamin C helps in collagen production, which is crucial for maintaining the strength and flexibility of your joints. To maximize the benefits of pineapple, it's best to consume fresh pineapple instead of canned or processed pineapple juice, as the latter often contains added sugars and preservatives that can counteract the fruit's natural healing properties. So whether you enjoy it fresh, blended into smoothies, or added to salads, pineapple is a tasty and powerful ally for your joint. Next up, blueberries are often considered one of the healthiest fruits you can eat, and for good reason. These tiny blue gems are packed with antioxidants, which are crucial for protecting your body from oxidative stress, a key factor in the development and progression of joint pain, particularly in conditions like arthritis. Oxidative stress occurs when there's an imbalance between free radicals and antioxidants in the body, leading to inflammation and damage to the cells, including those in your joints. The antioxidants found in blueberries, especially anthocyanins, help neutralize these harmful free radicals, reducing the inflammation that causes pain and discomfort in the joints. Regular consumption of blueberries can also help slow down the damage to cartilage, which is essential for maintaining joint mobility and preventing further wear and tear. In addition to their antioxidant properties, blueberries are rich in vitamins and minerals such as vitamin C and fiber that support overall joint health. The easiest way to incorporate blueberries into your diet is by adding them to your morning breakfast or blending them into a smoothie. This simple addition can help keep your joints healthy and reduce the risk of future pain and stiffness. Fourth place, pomegranate is more than just a delicious and refreshing fruit. It's a powerhouse when it comes to joint health. Packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds, pomegranate can help reduce the inflammation that causes joint pain while also protecting your joints from further damage. What makes pomegranate truly unique is its ability to slow down the breakdown of cartilage, which is essential for maintaining joint flexibility and strength. As we age, cartilage naturally begins to wear away, leading to stiffness, pain, and reduced mobility. However, pomegranate's powerful antioxidants, particularly punicalagins, help protect and even repair cartilage, keeping your joints healthier and younger for longer. Regular consumption of pomegranate can also help alleviate the symptoms of conditions like osteoarthritis by reducing pain and swelling. To maximize the benefits, it's best to drink pure pomegranate juice without added sugar, as many store-bought juices can contain excess sugars and preservatives that reduce the fruit's natural healing effects. Incorporating pomegranate into your daily diet can help maintain joint health and reduce the risk of developing joint-related issues as you age. And finally, avocado may not be sweet like most fruits, but it is an incredibly nutritious fruit with powerful benefits for joint health. Packed with healthy monounsaturated fats, avocados act as a natural lubricant for your joints. These healthy fats help to reduce friction between the joints, making movement smoother and less painful. In addition to healthy fats, avocados are rich in anti-inflammatory compounds that help reduce overall inflammation in the body. This makes them particularly beneficial for individuals suffering from arthritis or other inflammatory joint conditions. The high levels of vitamin E in avocados also play a crucial role in protecting the joints from oxidative damage, which can contribute to the breakdown of cartilage and further pain. Regularly adding avocado to your diet can help maintain joint flexibility, reduce stiffness, and promote overall joint health. One of the best ways to incorporate avocado into your meals is by adding it to salads or spreading it on whole grain toast. Not only does it taste delicious, but it also provides your joints with the nourishment they need to stay strong and flexible. You see, incorporating these super fruits into your daily diet doesn't require a complicated meal plan. In fact, just 1 or 2 servings of these fruits each day can make a noticeable difference in your joint health. The best part is it's easy and enjoyable to do. You can add them to your morning smoothies for a nutrient-packed start to the day. Simply blend together some blueberries, cherries, and avocado for a delicious anti-inflammatory boost. Another great option is to sprinkle them over your oatmeal or yogurt for a fresh and light meal. Try adding pomegranate seeds and pineapple chunks to a salad. These fruits also make for great snacks. Enjoy a handful of cherries or a few slices of fresh pineapple when you're on the go. You don't need to overcomplicate it. Just make these fruits a regular part of your meals and snacks, and over time, you'll notice how much better your joints feel. Remember, consistency is key. Your joints are the foundation of your movement, and they give you the freedom to live an active, fulfilling life. By making small changes today and incorporating these powerful fruits into your diet, you can start nourishing your joints naturally and prevent pain and stiffness from taking over. The best part is nature has already given us the tools to protect our joints. You just have to use them, so start today. Whether it's adding blueberries to your morning smoothie or enjoying a handful of cherries as a snack, each small step will bring you closer to a future where your joints feel strong and flexible. Your future self will thank you for the care you give your body now. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might benefit from this information. We're all in this journey of health together, and sharing knowledge can make a big difference. And now I want to hear from you. Which of these fruits will you start eating today to support your joints? Comment below and share your thoughts.